guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a high plank walkout with a band. So for this, we want a very light band. We're going to just wrap that around our forearms. So when we do these, we always want to think about having our glutes, squeezing our glutes and flexing our quads. Also, using our abs here. So we're going to be engaged through our abs too. We want to start with our shoulders, elbows, and wrists all in one straight line. And our hands, our fingers are going to be spread because they're going to help us balance. So we're in this really solid high plank here. We're puffing up through our upper back, not sinking down through our shoulder blades, but staying engaged through our upper back, squeezing our abs, squeezing our butt, and flexing our quads. So this is a super solid high plank. Then we're going to have to balance on one side to bring one hand out, followed by the other hand, bringing it back into stacked shoulders, elbows, wrists. But that band, we're going to constantly have to keep our arms separated enough so we keep tension on the band as we move forward